Hey parents and caregivers, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something every parent worries about: choking hazards in babies. Whether your little one is just starting solids or already crawling and grabbing everything in sight, knowing how to keep them safe is super important. In this video, we'll chat about practical, everyday tips to help prevent choking and keep mealtimes and playtime safe and stress-free. So if you've ever found yourself panicking over what foods to give, or not give, your baby, you're in the right place. Choking is one of the biggest concerns for parents, especially during the early stages of a baby's life when they start exploring the world around them by putting things in their mouth. As babies grow and develop, they become curious, often trying to eat or chew anything they can get their hands on. While this curiosity is a normal and healthy part of development, it also means that parents and caregivers need to stay alert and take steps to prevent choking hazards. Understanding how and why choking happens is the first step in preventing it. Babies, especially those under the age of 1, haven't yet developed the chewing skills that older children and adults have. Their windpipes are also smaller, making it easier for small objects or chunks of food to become lodged and block their airway. What makes things trickier is that even foods that seem harmless, like grapes or popcorn, can be surprisingly risky if not prepared appropriately. When your baby begins eating solid foods, usually around 6 months old, it's important to introduce foods in a safe way. That means offering soft, mashed, or finely chopped food that they can easily gum or swallow. Foods that are round, hard, sticky, or slippery, like whole grapes, raw carrots, nuts, and even chunks of cheese, can pose a serious choking risk. The safest approach is to cut these foods into very small pieces or cook them until they're soft enough to mash with the gums. Supervision is key when babies are eating. Whether your little one is sitting in a high chair or enjoying a snack on the go, it's important to be nearby and keep an eye on them. Babies should always sit upright while eating and never be allowed to eat while crawling, walking, or lying down. Trying to swallow while in a reclined or moving position increases the chances of food going down the wrong way. Another aspect of choking prevention is baby-proofing your home. As your baby becomes more mobile, crawling, scooting, or walking, they'll be drawn to items within reach. Tiny toys, coins, batteries, buttons, and other household objects can easily become choking hazards. Make it a habit to regularly check floors, couch cushions, and toy areas for anything that could pose a risk. Toys should always be age-appropriate, and it's a good idea to follow the manufacturer's age recommendations. If a toy or its parts can fit entirely into a toilet paper roll, it's too small for a baby to play with unsupervised. Pacifiers, bottle nipples, and teething toys should also be regularly inspected for wear and tear. If they show any signs of damage, such as cracks or pieces coming loose, they should be thrown away immediately. Babies often chew on these items, and broken parts can be accidentally swallowed. Learning infant CPR and basic first aid is one of the most empowering things a parent or caregiver can do. In the rare event that your baby does start choking, knowing how to respond quickly and effectively can be life-saving. There are many local classes and online resources available to help you feel confident in your ability to act during an emergency. Teething biscuits, puffs, and snacks designed for babies are generally safe, but they should still be introduced with care. Even products marketed for infants can cause choking if the baby isn't developmentally ready or if they eat too quickly. Observing your baby's readiness and chewing ability can guide you in making safer choices. Modeling safe eating habits can also help. As babies grow older and become more observant, they often mimic what they see. Eating slowly, chewing thoroughly, and taking small bites can encourage your child to do the same. Avoid giving snacks in the car or stroller when the baby is unattended, as it's harder to monitor them closely in those situations. As babies grow into toddlers, conversations about safe eating can begin. Even though they may not fully understand everything, using simple language like, chew well, or, don't talk with food in your mouth, can start building lifelong habits around mindful eating. Preventing choking isn't just about avoiding specific foods or objects, it's about creating a safe environment, practicing good habits, and staying prepared. While accidents can still happen, being proactive greatly reduces the chances. It also helps parents feel more confident during those sometimes stressful mealtimes or play sessions. At the end of the day, every baby is different. Some may be more adventurous with eating, while others take their time. Some might put everything in their mouth, while others are more reserved. Being tuned into your baby's behavior, staying informed, and keeping a calm and watchful eye can make a big difference in helping your little one stay safe as they explore the world around them. And that wraps up today's video on preventing choking hazards in babies. Remember, staying informed, being present, and making a few simple adjustments can go a long way in keeping your baby safe as they grow and explore. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with other parents, and subscribe for more baby safety and parenting tips. Got questions or want to share your own experience? Drop them in the comments, I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, take care and happy parenting.